In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove people from group photos in Photoshop, a useful skill for those times when you want to highlight a particular subject or clean up your composition. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you get a professional looking result every time. Let's start by readying your image. First, open the photo you wish to edit in Adobe Photoshop. You can do this by navigating to File in the top menu and selecting Open. Once your image is loaded, you're ready to embark on the creative journey of modifying it to suit your needs. Now it's time to select the object or people you want to remove. The best tools for this task are the Selection tool and the Lasso tool, which are both found on the toolbar located on the left of your screen. The Lasso tool allows for freehand selection, giving you the flexibility to outline the exact area you want to remove. Click on the Lasso tool and carefully draw around the person or object, making sure to close the selection loop by connecting the end point with the start when you're finished. If precision is key, don't hesitate to zoom in to get a more accurate selection. Once you have highlighted the area you intend to remove, click the Selection tool icon from the toolbar. This action will solidify your selection and prepare it for the next steps. It's crucial to maintain focus at this stage, as this selection will determine the accuracy of the removal process. You might find it helpful to refine the selection by using the Select and Mask option, which allows you to smooth and feather the edges for a more natural look. Having confirmed your selection, right-click within the highlighted area and choose Fill from the context menu that appears. In the Fill dialog box, set the contents to Content Aware. This smart function in Photoshop scans the area around your selection and attempts to fill it in a way that blends seamlessly with the surrounding pixels. After clicking OK, watch as Photoshop works its magic, replacing the selection with content that matches the rest of your photo. Take a moment to inspect your edited image. If necessary, make minor adjustments using the Spot Healing Brush tool or the Clone Stamp tool to further enhance the natural look of your photo. These tools can help smooth out any inconsistencies and ensure a flawless finish. And that's it, you're done. With practice, removing unwanted elements from photos becomes a quick and easy task. Whether it's a bustling tourist in the background of your holiday snaps or an unwanted object in a family portrait, Photoshop offers powerful tools to clean up any image. Enjoy experimenting and see you in the next tutorial.